Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I have a platform that will help you to understand terminology, startup jargons in seriously bite-sized content. Okay, so this is the sole purpose of this site. Now there are a PDF version also available of same similar contents that you can download from that site. Okay, not actually from that site. They have included the Gumroad link. All about it will be explained and we will talk about everything. So let's just share the site and let's get started with the video. So here is our today's site, that is startup cards from founders book. Okay, and you can simply download it from Google, not Google, Gumroad, from here. Okay, you can do that and it's totally free. Now, one thing I noticed about this site, and I don't know why they have written it in so small, given the image in so small spaces. I don't know, but they should have at least increased it for smaller resolution of laptops, even higher resolutions, because when you are seeing something in 1080 screen and this looks this much, it is not easier to read. Whatever, so here is the guide. Okay, so first thing is in the label, that is those are the labels. Okay, in the label they have said about which category they are talking about, as you can see over here. So this is a card, and the nomenclature, no, the categorization of cards are explained over here. And here is the item. The item is basically what the terminology is, and there is a description. Okay, and they have color coded it in this manner. So yellows are representing business, blacks are market, then all of the other color codes that you can see over here. Okay, and uh, as you can see, like, they have literally made this site adorable, to be honest. Okay, seriously, I don't know what font family they have used. Let's check. I think it's I don't know, I can't recall it. I think it's Futura, maybe. Okay, it's an image. It's totally an image. It's not written in words, it's an image. As you can see, all of those things are just an image. See, all of those are images. Okay, that's why they have called it cards. Okay, whatever. So as you can see, we have business related topics over here: founders, startups, scale ups. Okay, and I have some of my familiar topics down below, that is all regarding designs. Wait, all of the things regarding designs, obviously I am familiar to all of those, and some no code tools and some of the other things as well. Okay, so I am familiar of like a lot of things that is over here, like backend compilers, API, open source. Yes, I am a CA student, so I know all of this. But which I really don't know is everything related to finance. Yeah, I was searching for some platform where I can learn the terminology and what it is, like what it represents. And here we have like all of the things related to finance, and there are the obviously proper terminologies which I wanted to know. There is TTM. Okay, suppose there is TTM. TTM is trailing 12 month. Okay, and what happens in the company in trailing 12 months is called TTM. Like all of the companies reports, financial reports, expenses, purchases, whatever the financial report is. So those are some of the terminologies that I really actually don't know about and I wanted to know, and it is a great resource for that. And in general, whenever someone asks me about like what is startup, how to get how not how to get started, but what is startup, what is some things like maybe what is seed fund. So I can now easily refer them to this site, this particular site, because yeah, it's way easier to way easier easily explained over here. Okay, so that's a great thing. Yeah, like series A, series B, series C. Okay, all of those things. Like there are tons of things that I don't know about, specific to startups. Like all of those things are mentioned over here in proper bicycle content, and you can obviously can have a look at the size of content. Like they have explained what is angel or angel investor. If you are seeking funding for an idea, angel investor are the best groups to look for. They tend to be individual investors, family or friends looking to support or fund a promising venture at an early stage for potential return. So yeah, this is how they have explained everything in this short manner, and you can't say that it is not understandable. Even if you want to explain it to a grandma, obviously she will understand this. Okay, like and it she will not understand it word by word. Some word you may have to change, but in general she will understand it, right? So they have made this content that much easier, and that's what I liked about this site. Like if you are someone who is not coming from this background, obviously most of us new age entrepreneurs are not coming from this background. We are like totally different fellow. Okay, we come from really diverse backgrounds. Okay, so it's great to see a platform which actually explain all of the terminologies as if they are explaining it to a kid or a grandma. So that's what I really loved about this platform. Okay, and that's basically it about it, because there's just nothing much to explain about it. What else to do I explain, right? Get it yourself, like use it yourself, make yourself learned, yeah, or make yourself what, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उस पर्टिकुलर टर्मिनोलॉजी को क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, खुद खुद में ज्ञान डालिए और क्या, whatever. So that's the thing. That's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, or if you like this particular video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and share it with your friends, so that it will be really greatly helpful to my channel to grow along. And rather than that, if you know about some of the great sites like this which have seriously great contents, like I still suggest everyone to visit marketing examples, because I love that site. I really love that site. Similarly, this this is gonna be my second favorite, I think. So I don't know, let's see how much favorite it will be of mine, but I really liked it. So if you know about something like this, please let me know about all of this, so I can feature it in my future videos, as well as I can get some help from that. So that's it. Bye.